What's up, guys? So I am back with another room tour. We are at the Venetian in the suite 28217. So let's go in and check it out. This is so beautiful. We just stayed at Aria for 3 nights, and then our last day we're doing at the Venetian. The decor is just really beautiful. It's like straight out of Italy. So you get a full-size walk-in shower. Beautiful tub. Have some mirrors. I got my Vegas shirt on. And then you have this beautiful marble double sink, which is convenient to have too. You have a TV in case you want to watch that while you're taking a shower or a bath. And then over here, for me, because I'm a makeup lover, women love to get ready, men love to get ready. This is really nice. It's a vanity area. You have a stool, little light up vanity mirror, which is really nice. So this is very opulent, very elegant. And then you have your mirrors, which you always want to have before you go out. And then you walk in here, and this is what I love about it. You have this beautiful bed and little nightstand. Have a nice big TV here. And I think it's really cool that this suite you have like this whole separate area. So you have a staircase. And we also did the $20 trick for this one as well. And we were upgraded to the strip view, which I will show you in a second. And then you have another TV here, as well as a fridge. And over there you have a pretty good sized dresser and a closet.
Maybe you should have joined the police force. Become a real detective.
I don't do humans.
You have a little business office area. If you don't know about the $20 trick, check out my channel. I have a really good video on there to help you get upgraded to either a better suite or a view. We were actually offered a bigger suite, but we would have had to pay a little bit more at a discounted rate. But we went with this, and it's a beautiful strip view. And this was complimentary with the $20 trick. There's so many pools here. It's very opulent, very elegant. Trump Tower, Palazzo. The fashion show mall's over there. But the mountains are so stunning. Treasure Island. So you have a pretty good view here. And I believe Caesar's Palace is right across there by the Mirage. And then you have a nice little table here. And these nice, comfortable recliner chairs. But yeah, this is a beautiful resort. I would definitely recommend staying at Venetian if you want like a classic Renaissance Italian vibe. Very beautiful. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my little room tour or Vegas room tour. We're leaving, like I said, tomorrow, so it's been a good